I've got one of these UCC drip pods. Drip pod, the light. And how to use it? I've put some water inside there, about 300 ml, and we've got one of these pots. It says there coffee. It also says up to level 5. Not sure what it is. First thing I'm going to do is to turn it on. Turn it on. There's an on button here. It takes about a minute to load, so I'll wait for that first, and then we'll continue. So it says here it's coffee. You need a level 5. I'm going to take the pot out. I just have to tear this down, and I'll show you the pot later. There it is. So this thing is, you're supposed to take this out and put it in here. There's a small button. I don't know, it's obvious enough. There's a small button there, and you press it, it's supposed to come out. Now this thing is ready now. Let's have a look. If I were to, there you go, it's working. It's working. So press the button and it springs open. There goes my pot. Close the lid. Make sure it's secure. It says 5, right? So it says coffee. Coffee is the first one, tea, and then green tea. Coffee. And level. Wow, should have done that one. Should have done this properly before pressing this. So, see, it's working now. The problem with being in a country where there are no instructions available, and they give you something like this. It looks very good, but I don't really know how to operate it. Okay, it's done. It goes back to 3 lights now. My mistake was I should have done this before pressing this button. So the procedure is, before you press one of these 3 buttons for coffee, tea, or green tea, we should have set the amount of level first, so you won't get to set the whatever heat level or whatever it is after you press this button. Now the coffee is out. Okay. I'm in Taipei and K Hotel, so just ready. I'm gonna have my coffee now. Just now. So this is to show that the buttons. This one is a scroller, and coffee, tea, and green tea on this machine. UCC Drip Pod.